At Sonigo, we've been moving the world since 1986. From our humble beginnings, we've grown into a global leader in international shipping and relocation services. Whether you're moving across town or across the globe, Sonigo offers a comprehensive range of services tailored to meet your needs. We specialize in the safe and secure transport of household goods, custom manufactured crates for artwork and commercial products, and much more. Our expertise doesn't stop at shipping. We handle every aspect of the process from door-to-door moving, marine insurance, and customs clearance, ensuring your items arrive safely, on time, and stress-free. At Sonigo, we understand that every move is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Trust us with your most valuable possessions and experience the difference with a company that puts your needs first. Sonigo, moving with care across the world.